Now we are going continuously revision chapter number 1, that is computer software. Okay, now today we discuss the specific purpose. Okay, so basically what do you mean by specific purpose? Okay, so specific purpose application software is a basically, you can say, when you are using that particular software for your personal use. Okay, you can take an example. Suppose you want to make any word file. Okay, so for the word file you have to download it from the internet. Okay, Microsoft Office. Okay, and in the Microsoft Office package you can download Microsoft Word from there. Okay, so you because in a Microsoft Office there are many packages included. Okay, you can say Word. Okay, Word tool, Excel, PowerPoint, Office tool also. Okay, so you can simple whatever you have used for your personal work. Okay, so you can use so you can only download it or install in your system. Okay, so that's why Word you can install in your system, and for which you can also save the storage in your computer. Okay, so that's why you can use the Word file. Okay, so similarly basically here we can use many purposes, and the main advantage of the software is that what it is a, you can say, accounting management. Okay, accounting management is about when it is a used to meet need of financial department. Okay, means it is a related what, it is a related basically financial department. Okay, for which, for accounting, or for you can say amount payable. Okay, if you are purchasing anything, okay, you want to invoice anything, job costing, etc. Okay, now next is use reservation system. Okay, now it is also a software used for what, used for online booking of tickets. Okay, or you can say online bookings of other things. Okay, you can say train, aeroplanes. Okay, hotels, any other etc. also. Okay, so this type of such activities done by the reservation system. Okay, now next is your HR management. Okay, now what is HR management? HR management is a basically, you can say, it manage employee informations. Okay, means simple, if you want to save the record of the employee, then like you can say contact detail, employee status. Okay, and addresses and other things, so you have to use the by the help of HR management. Okay, and also you want to compensation, okay, performance revision, payroll, training, and much more activities, you can say. Okay, so now next is your attendance management. Okay, now it is a very important attendance management for the school purpose. Okay, or any other purpose. Okay, so it is what basically it records of the employee or student, or keep the track. Okay, for what it is a present or not. Okay, now next is your payroll system. Okay, now it is also important because if the employee want to give the money or salary, okay, so you have to calculate the salary. Okay, bonus, okay, commissions, etc., overtime, you can say also, and double time. Okay, so with the help of this software you can calculate the salary of that particular employee. Okay, for which, for bonus, commission, etc. Okay, so you have to simple use the payroll system. Okay, now next is your inventory control system. Okay, what is that? Basically it is a process for managing and identifying the number of the items, okay, in a store. Okay, means how many items is stored in a storage. Okay, so you have to done by the inventory control system. Okay, clear? And also you can say the main advantage is basically in inventory control system is what, it is a main keep the track of the items. Okay, where this item is present. Okay, in this store where this item is present, you can search very easily. Okay, so next is what, it is a software suite. Okay, now software suite is a what, basically it is a collection of individual applications. Okay student, yes, whatever I am told already, that suppose the Microsoft Office, okay, so it is an example of software suite because it is a collection of individual applications. Okay, means Microsoft Office what include, it is a Word file include, okay, it is a Excel, it is a PowerPoint, etc. Okay, so you can say it is an example of a software suites. Okay, and you can say take an example, email program can access your contact list to find receipt email addresses. Okay, so it is an example of also a software suites. Okay, now student, here some assignments. Okay, only to fill in the blanks and true and false. Okay, so you have to read out. If you feel any problem regarding that, okay, you can tell me, okay, or ask me. Okay.